The meaning of plants, hyacinth. In some cultures, hyacinths represent games, rashness, let's play, tension relief, sport and playfulness. In Greek mythology, a Spartan prince called Hyacinthus was the object of affection for both the god Apollo and the god of the west wind, Zephyrus. Hyacinthus and Apollo were once competing playfully in a discus throwing competition when, in a fit of jealous rage, Zephyrus blew Apollo's discus off course, causing it to hit Hyacinthus in the head, killing him instantly. A grief-stricken Apollo mixed the blood of Hyacinthus and his own divine tears, and where that magical mixture landed on the ground, the hyacinth flower grew. This plant is native to the Eastern Mediterranean, and it is thought that either German doctor Leonhard Rauwolf or Flemish diplomat Ogier Ghiselin de Busbecq introduced this plant to Western Europe in the 1500s. But it's generally agreed that they weren't called hyacinths until Joseph Piton de Tournefort, a 17th century French botanist, named them so. In the 1700s, hyacinth perfume was very popular but very expensive, as it needed around 6,000 kilograms of hyacinth flowers to make 1 litre of hyacinth oil. So in modern times, a synthetic hyacinth oil is used instead and can be found in perfumes including Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio, Crabtree and Evelyn's Lily, and Estee Lauder's perfume Private Collection.